Creating a shortcut on your desktop using Safari is as easy as dragging and dropping the web address from your browser to your desktop. Now you've created a shortcut link, you can double-click and open. Now let's take a look at how to pin Better5 to your home screen using an iPhone or iPad. If you use an Android device, we'll look at that next. On your iPhone or iPad, simply click the Share button at the bottom of your browser screen. From there, scroll down until you see Add to Home Screen. This will create a shortcut to your login. Now you've added the Better5 shortcut to your home screen, simply click it to open your login. Here's how to pin Better5 to the home screen using an Android device. Using Google Chrome, click on the three buttons in the top right and select Add to Home Screen. From there, click Add and then Add to Home Screen. Now, you've created a shortcut to your Better5 login in Google Chrome. You can move it to whatever window you'd like on your home screen and simply click it to open your login screen.